Trading Strategy. So at first let's try to understand what is Heikin Ashi. Heikin Ashi, also sometimes spelled Heikin Ashi, means average bar in Japanese. Heikin Ashi technique can be used in conjunction with Candlestick Chart when trading securities to spot market trends and predict future prices. It's useful for making Candlestick Chart more readable and trends easier to analyze. For example, traders can use Heikin Ashi chart to know when to stay in trade while a trend persists, but get out when the trend pauses or reverses. Most profits are generated when markets are trending, so predicting trends correctly is necessary. Hopefully you all have understood. Probably you all have received a bit of an idea that yes, it is a very good chart, Heikin Ashi chart. But as you have not seen Heikin Ashi chart, so you're pretty let's confuse. So let me show you what is Heikin Ashi chart and how can we use Heikin Ashi chart in forex trading, Bitcoin, stocks, anywhere. So this is a typical candlestick chart in front of us, and I have one more indicator. You can see this is a moving average I'm using. I'm using a 50 period moving average. It's a normal simple moving average, not anything fancy. Okay. And again, as you all know, there are many patterns in candlestick chart, and we need to understand those patterns, is not it? Um, and the chart is full of red, green colors. This this is a typical candlestick chart. So let me switch to Heikin Ashi chart. Ta-da! Okay, so right now we have Heikin Ashi chart, and you can see on the screen that the chart has become much smoother. Now there is not much of a mixture of candles. We are getting a series of candles in a row. Green, red. Okay. So as the text part said, Heikin Ashi chart mainly helps us to write the trends because the main money is writing the trend. Because uh, candlestick chart sometimes be confusing if you're not a experienced trader. So in that case, you can easily use Heikin Ashi chart. So what is the strategy? The strategy is we will always look for buy signals when the market or the price will be above this moving average, and we will only look for sell signals when the price will be below the moving average. And we will wait for at least 3 candles for the confirmation. See here, we will exit here. Okay, we must be thinking that such a small profit, but these small profits are also very important, and this also matters to take the right decision sometimes. Okay, and see here, here you could easily write the trend till here, till 3 candles. Okay, you don't need to exit here because there are only 2 candles here. See, I said 3 candles, not 4 also, because sometimes there could be a big fall after 2 candles or 3 candles. Okay, 4 candles will be too much. We are here to make money, not to gamble our money. So, as mentioned, what we will do, we will look for buy trades when the price will be above the moving average, and we will look for short trades when the price will be below the moving average. So here we will look for short trade here. We can short till here, and when market started falling again we could easily enter here after 3 candles. Okay, there is no such rule that you cannot enter again. Okay, here also you can, after 3 green candles you can easily enter here. This is a chart of Bitcoin. So what do we need to do? When the price will be above moving average, we will look for buying opportunities. So here we will look for buy opportunities only. See, if we would have been using candle chart, there are plenty of red green colors. So it becomes difficult for us to write the trend if you're new. In fact, sometimes so it is very confusing for experienced traders also to stay in the market, or because the patterns or the candlestick chart can be confusing sometimes. But if we are using Heikin Ashi chart, then we are filtering out the noise, because they are not considering the exact price, they are considering the average price, and as a result we can easily write the trend. See, if we would have entered here, and we can easily write the trend till here. Okay, 3 candles, and we will exit. But we can enter in the market again, see how much money we could have made. Okay, this is the you can see 3 candles. We will enter here, we'll short till here and exit here after 3 candles. So hopefully all understood. We just need to switch to Heikin Ashi chart. Go here, Heikin Ashi, and 50 period moving average. Look for buying opportunities when the market will be above the moving average. Look for selling opportunities when the market will be below the moving average. And follow the 3 candle rule. Okay, they will help you to stay profitable. Okay, if required, then go for another trade, but do not risk. It is better to stay with little profit than losing the money. Let me show you another chart. See, uh, market below the moving average. So we will look for the sell opportunities. 1, 2, 3, boom, sell. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We sold here. Okay, stop loss almost hit. Okay, 1, 2, 3, boom, sell. As mentioned, see, no strategy is 100% accurate. That's why you need risk management also. Uh, Without risk management, it will be very difficult, or it will be impossible for any trader to survive in the market. Therefore, always follow risk management, and strategy is there. A strategy, see, I have proved in the risk manager video how an accuracy of 50% can also make you a profitable trader, or how it can give you good returns. And a strategy like this with more than 70-80% accuracy, just imagine how much money you can make out of the market if you follow proper risk management. So follow risk management and follow strategy. Definitely the world will be brighter for you. Thank you so much.